Hey guys, on today's item shop we have quite a few things. So as always we do have Yellow Jacket still there. However, we do have one of my personal favorites right here available at the moment with its pretty cool back bling. We also have Beef Boss right here available at the moment with, of course, its back bling. Let's not forget about the perfect harvesting tool for it and the glider, which is pretty awesome. Moving on to Sandstorm, which we also have the male version of this, the wrap that goes with the skin, and of course this that obviously will go really well if you buy that skin. We also have Volleyball Girl available at the moment. Let's not forget about Magnus with obviously its back bling, which just makes sense with the whole outfit. One of the funniest harvesting tools I've seen. Last but not least are emotes, which does include this one, all-time favorite and very cheap, and another all-time favorite for many of you. Luckily we do still have this skin available with the perfect harvesting tools. And yes, Atlantean fish stick is also available with its awesome back bling. And lastly, the harvesting tool fish sticks. That would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.